Let's try to understand why to study AI. We all know that everywhere AI is occupying, and everywhere due to the AI, layoffs are happening, and everywhere due to the automation, people are losing the job. Okay, so if you want to be in the corporate and if you want to be in the industry, try to study AI. Try to keep updated with the latest trends and technology. The future is AI. If you learn AI, 99% the chances is that you will not lose your job. Okay, so the first reason why to study AI is to solve the complex business problems. Okay, so the main reason why we are studying the AI is to solve the complex business problem, and the second reason is it enhances the automation. Okay, and the third most important thing is it will help the companies to reduce the money to be spent on the people. That means like it helps the company for cost cutting, and also it encourages to the increase in their revenue. Okay, so the third most important thing is it helps companies for cost cutting which they are spending on the people or the employees. Okay, so that's the third important point, like why you need to study AI. Okay, the fourth important thing is future is AI. Okay, so as day by day the technology is getting improved and lot of things are changing in the market. The future is AI, and everywhere the automation is happening. So whether it can be related to the customer support, or it can be related to the healthcare domain, or it can be related to any other domain. So AI is trying to occupy, especially in the field of healthcare. Okay, so try to learn AI and keep updated with the latest trends and technologies with respect to the AI, so that you will not lose your job. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video. Follow for more.